Uru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi Obaigwa Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biashara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyerange ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona. Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Mwanzo muligereria wairire uya nainde kigima karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi shabono omorogoba nainche Matildah Obaigwa vene nyaboke korwa ase omunwa bwebimanyerero kabana into Chinsa mbucha Facebook na bwo YouTube una Getembe TV mwanzo muligereria na kirongo chaka korwa ase serikali enene nigo omrai bwense muske William Ruto litkoria rero Chinsa cha mapema anyarako barigania vene na boiko ko baitaba abambasada bayakorwa Chinse eri kubwaterana ne serikali yense ya Kenya abambasada baiga korwa Chinse bunabona seria Israel ense ya Canada ya Republic of Congo ense ya Indonesia ense ya Finland na baigo ne chinde chinyinge ne kirobono banyarako ariganirwa asinjira ya bena samagacho aikurenene ali ase umucho Nairobi.
Jambo, it is a great honor for me to stand before you today and to convey on behalf of my head of states, His Excellency Yitzhak Herzog, and on behalf of the people of the State of Israel, our warmest greetings and heartfelt compliments to you personally and for you to the people of the Republic of Kenya. It is my privilege to present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my esteemed predecessor, as well as the letter of credence by which His Excellency President Herzog has appointed me as Ambassador of the State of Israel to the Republic of Kenya.
Today, our ties are stronger than ever. We have seen steady growth and cooperation across many fields, including trade and investment, education, and cultural exchange. Recent agreements and initiatives reflect our joint commitment to building a robust and mutually beneficial partnership.
I feel privileged to have the opportunity to serve my country and strengthen the bilateral relations between Spain and Kenya.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest extent possible the mutual aspirations of the people of our two nations.
Mwancho murigereria na kurose serikali yenene nigo umrai wense umukonyoye umwaziri wichi gosore na bwiga mangana yabasaya muske Salim Vuria na boyo ekiombe kyokorigereria mangana y'umupira gose ekiombe ky'umupira bwenkoyo kya FKF na boyo byombe binde bitari bya serikali na inde rero mwambye banyara kumrana na boyo gusanga banyara gukwanira enjira baranyare gusira chigosori aiga asense ya Kenya na boyo nigo banyara kurwa okoboria unachi gosori chinyare gusira kigima gose abasaye babwate byegwa banyare gusirwa kigima na boigo nigo banyara gotogia etimu y'umupira bwenkoyo ya Harambee Stars asike minano gya chane ekyo kyanyara kwera ewike yaeta ekero serikali yatebire bono nigo aba kimupira yo banyare tegotema kigima.
Today, Your Excellency, we are here to speak to the corporate world about the benefits of investing in Kenyan football, about the aspiration that the Harambee Stars has carried after these CHAN competitions for millions of youth across the country.
To thank you for your leadership and for this occasion, which is coming immediately after a successful hosting of CHAN 2024, which has really elevated the profile of our country. It's the first time we are seeing the international football leadership being committed and happy for a good hosting. And therefore, Your Excellency, congratulations for leading us to a successful CHAN. And Harambee Stars really also took the occasion to profile our country and inspired everybody.
I see the captains of industry and leaders from the corporate sector who have stepped forward to support our sports, because where sports have succeeded and where countries have succeeded in nurturing sports and making the talent of our young people to count, the role of corporate partners have been profound.
We have to bring back sports to where it should be. And it is against that background that I instructed Ababu Namwamba, then Minister for Sports, that we bid for CHAN and AFCON. Because we wanted to use this platform also to create visibility around our sporting talent in Kenya. And whatever we did was intentional. It is not, it's not guesswork. We have a concrete plan. We want to move this to where it should be.
Mwancho murigereria umwaziri w'uburendi waime omuski Kipchumba Murkomen nigo bono anyarire gukwanira uburendi ase chimbebe gose chinse chiri chibebekaine nense ya Kenya anene muno chinse mo chorobebe rwa Kenya na Somalia, orobebe rwa Kenya na Uganda na boigo no nyenenseri ya South Sudan ka ukono kura ase county ya Busia ritukoria rero nigo Murkomen bono anyari kuboria abakenya kuba abatwarero ngabaria bonsi bagosoime yense ya Kenya elio kurigia obutamiro nigo barache korendwa kigima ne serikali na boigo kira bakwirani wa chinse chabo banyare kwirani wa asinchira ere ya maskani.
Najua kwamba mambo ya border security ni mambo ambayo tunashughulikia pamoja kama multi agency, Department of Defense, Internal Security na other departments tunafanya kazi pamoja, lakini hakuna policy ya Kenya ya kusema tutakuwa na askari ya Somalia ama whether regional ama ni national ambayo itafanyia mambo ya vita upande wa Kenya. Kama kuna watu wa kutoka Somalia ambao wako katika upande wa Kenya, si kwa mwaliko wa taifa la Kenya, ni kwa sababu pengine wanatoroka sababu zao za kivita, na investigations ya security itahakikisha kwamba wote wanakuwa accounted for na wanasaidiwa kurudi salama kwa sehemu ambazo wanatoka, ili kuhakikisha kwamba nchi inakaa salama. So mara nyingi, si kwa mara moja tu, mara nyingi vita ama malumbano ikizidi upande wa Somalia, utaona watu wanatorokea upande wa Kenya, na hiyo kutorokea kwao hapa si kwa mwaliko wa Kenya, ni kwa sababu wanatafuta usalama, na wakati wanatokezea inaleta pia changamoto kwa wananchi, lakini hiyo yote inatekelezwa kwa njia ambayo inafaa kuhakikisha kwamba mtu yoyote mwenye ako Kenya bila idhini anarudishwa katika nchi yao. Kwa hivyo hakuna wasiwasi kwa haya mambo yote ambayo unasikia huko Mandera, na ni shida ambayo tutakuwa tunakabiliana kila wakati, na sio Somalia peke yake. Ndugu zetu majirani wakiwa na shida yoyote, tutakuwa tunakabiliana na shida kama hizo, kwa sababu wengine watatorokea upande huu, na lazima tukue na njia mwafaka ya kuhakikisha kwamba wanarudi salama makwao. Na kwa sababu sisi hatuna vita na mtu yoyote, tulikuwa na vita yetu ni dhidi ya mambo ya terrorism ambayo ina affect nchi yetu. Wale ambao wanatoroka kwa sababu wanatafuta usalama, tunawarudisha pia kwa upole, kwa sababu hawana vita na sisi. Tunatafuta njia ya kuwarudisha na kuwaelekeza sehemu za nchi yao kwa njia inayofaa. Tuendelee kushirikiana vile tumekuwa tukishirikiana. Milango ya serikali ni wazi kujadiliana vile tunaweza kusaidiana. Iwapo kuna mtu kutoka nchi jirani ametorokea sehemu yetu, kuna njia mwafaka ya kurudisha ambayo haitaleta uhasama kati yetu na nchi jirani, na pia haiwezi kuumiza mwananchi wa Kenya.
mwanjo murigiria na asinsemo yoboremi ikiombe giokorigereria chimbusuro chiogosimekwa ebimeri nabo igo bintu bigotumeka ase oboremi ime yensi ya Kenya ya kepis enigobono kianyarire kurwa ogochika nabo igo kobasoera baria bonsi bagotebekana bakonia chimbusuro chitari chingia gochase abaremi nigo bono kiombe kianyarire kwerera buna onde bonsi oratoke na momocho bunayo nigaranya rego ikiwa bosibwe kigambiro nabo igo gwakanera ase rigoro okegima nenchire yemo yokonekia buna ebintu byonse bigotumeka ase migondo nkoreta bire rigesa rire eri engencho ase abakenya.
We have dispatched our inspectors across the country, and especially during the short rains around September, October. Any person found selling fake seed is going to be arrested and taken to court and prosecuted according to Seed and Plant Varieties Act. Also, as CAFIS, we are opposed to the proposed amendment of Seed and Plant Varieties Bill, which was brought to Senate by Senator Olekina. This is because if this amendment goes through, there will be a lot of substandard seed being sold to farmers, and the cases of fake seed might increase.
So CAFIS, we are very keen, especially this time that people are preparing for planting, and we want to warn all those people who are involved in the illegal trade. Very soon our inspectors will be going around, and we will be very keen to ensure that the farmers are getting the correct seeds for planting. You know the dangers when the farmers are planting the fake seeds, like this area, if you have someone may go and just get grains, you get the maize or other crops for the other areas, then you bring them here, and then farmers, when they plant, they don't.
mwancho murigereria gotigana anayo tokirana ase siasa ye county ya Kericho ensemo yaba MCA ne kurase county yo nigo baorokire gotagokirwa kwabo no burai bo mugavana we county yo omoske Dr. Eric Mutai na boigo nigo banyare goteba nonye ebunge ye Senate tekoreti burungi ase okumwegera Mutai ekiagera nigo konye bamwakirisiko kwetera asenchera ya impeachment boigo nigo babolire baraibande bonsi bagusona na siasa ya county ya Kericho banyare kwerusana ni aroro aba MCA bakore emirimo yao.
Sisi tunachunguza pesa yenye imepotea. So watu ya Wamunyoro keep off. Keep off mambo ya Kericho. Sahau kabisa. Our neighbor. Senator for Bomet. Your governor is in custody now because of corruption. Your county assembly didn't manage to impeach him. It is now that the authorities have taken over and your governor is in custody. Don't be a man of double standards. On the other hand, you are fighting corruption in your own county. In this county, you are abetting corruption in this county. Basically because governor is your clansman. Where's the house is bwana? Munachukua pesa ya Kericho, munangangana kudefend. Defend mambo ya corruption kivyenu, wacha sisi tufanye kazi kivyetu. Wewe fanya maneno yako bwana kule, wajana na county assembly ya Kericho ifanye kazi yao.
We are not ready. And we want to tell the governor, we have never gone wrong in this game. And we have a very good roadmap on how to deal with him. We will deal with him on personal grounds. We will deal with him on constitutionality. We will deal with him in the regulation that will protect the resources of this resident. And we will deal with these staffs.
I can authoritatively confirm to the nation that indeed Senate Nisoko Uhuru. You saw for yourselves. They took 3 days discussing on a technicality at how did this machine operate in Kericho? Did you get 33? Later on, they agreed that the Senate Speaker asked ICT Authority of Kenya to evaluate, audit the votes in Kericho that was electronically done.
Total money that is lost in Kericho County as per our reports, 85 million, 39 million, the 9 million for Londiani, the 26, is almost 150 million, which has been lost. It has not been accounted for. And remember, there are some people who are dancing when they were released on the graves of people of Londiani who lost their lives. I expect the governor to go quietly, go and reflect, go and rethink and reevaluate himself. But instead of that, he was actually dancing in Londiani Junction where people lost 77 lives.
Wancho murigirire nakoro ase county ya Kakamega umugavana bwe county yo mukonyoye na bwego egati ya barai ibande ndigo bono banyare ko boria umuwaziri bwebyombe no bonchore ebyombe no bonchoreria obokoboke Wycliffe umuske Wycliffe Oparanya na bwego umuspika webungenene umuske Moses Wetangula kwerusanania na siasa ye county yo nigo batebire abarai abigo babire nigo bwate ebirogo ebinene ase serikali ebyo babona tukanikia buna bakorire amagendero asaba Kenya na bwego gutigana na siasa ye serikali ye county magega.
Tulikuwa tumepatia Oparanya heshima kama governor mwanzilishi hapa, lakini hiyo tabia ambaye alionyesha for the last 1 week ya kwanza kusema nataka kudunisha governor hapa, jana alipata majibu, alipata kupata. Sisi tunajua ya kwamba candidate wa jana alikuwa Oparanya, sio nabii. Mtu ambaye alikuwa nyuma ya nabii ni Oparanya, na hiyo lazima isemwe wazi. We have evidence. Watu ambao walikuwa delegates wa nabii walilala kwa Oparanya Ilikuyani. Nitoboe nisitoboe? Ile pesa ambayo nabii alikuwa anatembea nayo hapa ilikuwa imetoka kwa Oparanya. Nitoboe nisitoboe? So mimi nataka kuambia Oparanya ya kwamba stop micromanaging Kakamega County.
Sisi tuna hope na Wetangula awe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya 2032. Lakini ukianza wajumbe ukianza kutajataja kwa hii maneno watakuharibia. Wetangula, stop your MPs from using your name. Watakuharibia jina wakiweka kwa siasa ya Kakamega. Kama Oparanya koti yako imebakia huko, mimi baraza nipatie koti Oparanya nimpelekee. Mwanaume ukisonga mbele, songa mbele. Tulikuwa tumekupea respect kama former governor wa Kakamega County. Lakini sasa kwa sababu umejidunisha mpaka unakuja hapa chini kuanza kupigana na kazi ambayo gavana baraza nafanya. Mimi si rafiki yangu tena. With due respect, Moses Masika Wetangula, kama unataka kuhijack Western, use the formula ambayo inaweza tusaidia. Use the formula ambayo inaweza Western. Leta unity in Western. Usilete mgawanyiko, kwa sababu hii mgawanyiko limetuweka nje ya serikali kwa miaka mingi. Sasa mtoto wetu gavana ako pale Fernandes Baraza, umeanza kukaa kwa mikutano, ukichanga pesa karibu milioni 10, ukipea Nabina Wera apinge huyu Fernandes Baraza.
Mwanjo murigiria ase engane yo notokorera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabo no murababa kolende ayona yanda mange nyore asinchira ingikirano ukigima Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa enye chialero omorogoba ene kironda chiko utigase omurobelyo obwekirorano endera kubwatia kusigendera gutobwatia gwetrase mitandao yetu ya yekerero Chinsemo cha Facebook, Getembe TV, Chinsemo cha YouTube, Getembe TV, kendera subscribe cha YouTube channel ya Getembe TV. Mwanjo murigire kurasa umuntu bw'imanyererio nere ven enyaboke chengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa twara uburigererio bya naboigo emaragoba engia Mike Wills konekia kwa nyole TV channel yoki asentira engikira nukolenda sabono tororane litkoryankyo.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil ya boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Amone